we are back on this YouTube channel. Hey Iris.
Alice.
She is my dog.
She's our dog.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna crash these cars together. You don't really want them to have a big collision. You just want them to have a tiny collision like this. See how it just moves the car just a tiny? Then you're gonna press this very hard gas pedal and knock it straight over. Okay? Well, not knock it straight over. Just knock it over enough to where it loses its balance. And sometimes you might want to do this. And you're gonna want to make it look like it's an actual crash, like this. You're gonna want to make it look like that. But you don't want it to. You want it to make it look like it's a minor collision. Like this. Okay guys, please subscribe on all of our YouTube channels. Thank you.
Give you mine.
Bye.